Hi guys, we'll be starting with the fourth lecture of module 3. In this lecture, I'll be telling you how to import CAD file and link CAD file in Revit architecture. So basically, to start a project, first you need to have a CAD file with you with the plan and elevation ready so that you can concentrate on your 3D modeling in Revit software. So that would be easier rather than you directly uh, drawing everything on Revit. So to load a Revit file, you need to go on insert. Then we have two options here: link CAD file and import CAD file. So I'll show you both option and I'll tell you what's the difference in both. First will be linking CAD file. So I'll click on link. Then I have some ready-made CAD files here. So I'll click on the CAD file which I want to load. Then we have few options here. So here we have this option: preserve, insert and black and white. Keep it to preserve only. And this layers, click on all because we want everything to from the CAD file to the Revit. And here this is the most important one because while you draw in AutoCAD, you might have different dimension than the Revit file. So it's better you keep this on auto detect, or if you want to change the dimensions, then you can select whatever dimension which is necessary. So I rather keep this on auto detect. And then this is the positioning. Keep this to origin because when you import a CAD file, here you start with the origin there. So here also keep this to origin. Click on the and where we need to place, we need this on level 1. So these are all the settings you need to remember. So I click on open. This may take some time because the huge file. So the CAD file is ready here. So you can see this the handle is coming into thing. So I click on that. So this is the origin of the CAD file. So it's origin of the CAD file to the origin of the Revit file. So this is why it's pasted here. So this is the link option, and I'll show you the import CAD option. It's pretty much the same thing. You won't find any difference. I'll show you that. I'll be loading the same file with the same option, just I explained the same thing. I'll unpin this. See, we have two options here. This is the link one because it was loaded the first, and this is the import one. So see, it's the same thing, but the difference is you don't find any difference in the design. But the thing is, if you use link CAD, then if you make changes in the CAD file, you can bring that changes directly into Revit. That's the use of the link. But if you import the CAD file, then even if you make changes in the AutoCAD, then you can't bring the changes to the Revit. So that's the main difference of the Revit file. That's the main difference in link and import. So I suggest that you always use link command and rather than importing, because even if it's a small change, it's better to use link than import. I'll open the CAD and I'll show you an example. So this is the ground floor plan which I have imported. So I'll show the difference between. I'll click on this column and I'll delete this. So I have deleted this column and I'll save this to this. I'll save this. I have saved this. I go to manage link here. Then I go to CAD formats and then click on this and just reload. Then click on OK. Now you can see that in this CAD file I had deleted the column. So here you can see that the column is deleted. And if I see the imported one, see the changes is not being made here. So you can see that the changes are just in the linked file, not in the import file. So that's why you need to select it's better to select the link add option and not the import. That's the main difference of using both.